Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. There are many types of bird baths which are available on the market, and one of the most popular are ceramic bird baths. Ceramic types are sturdy, reliable, durable, and attractive, which will last a long time. Are you looking for a garden ceramic bird bath, which is specifically made by Achla, which is the leading manufacturer of ceramic bird baths? Would you want to add a colorful ambiance to your yard, lawn, or patio? We have a ceramic bird bath for you. We would like you to know about the ceramic Vinca bird bath Aqua and stake, handcrafted on sturdy wrought iron stake. This Aqua Vinca Flowers bird bath is one of a kind bird bath that will surely attract birds to your yard to get a sip and a dip. Elegant Vinca flowers are etched into the bowl, while the aqua color gives this item a unique look which will surely give life to your chosen location. Your friends and neighbors will also be amazed at the radiant garden that you will have. This is a handcrafted bird bath which gives the best quality so that your bird bath will still look new even after years. Here are its technical specifications. Weight is 8 pounds. Dimensions are 5 by 16.5 by 16.8. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. The package that you will be getting includes a 37-inch stake, which is Roman bronze and is powder coated. So now that you know all the information about this elegant looking bird bath, what are you waiting for? Get the ceramic Vinca bird bath Aqua and stake, handcrafted and sturdy wrought iron stake today at a very affordable price. And see to it that you have an elegant looking bird bath without spending too much money. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.